Look at all these people out there. Boys, girls, grown-ups. They're all here just watching us because, wait for it, we are in a play.
Oh my goodness, that's amazing! Wow.
You know what the best thing about having an audience is?
We can ask them to lend us money?
No! We can make them do things.
Make them do things? Like what things?
Check it out.
We're in a play, we're on a stage.
Things are pretty great.
We've got the power, we've got these people
To manipulate.
But what are we gonna do?
First on tap, let's make them clap.
A 1, 2, 3.
Clap with me.
Doot, ba-da-ba-da-doot-doot-da. Doot, ba-da-ba-da-doot-doot-da. Doot, ba-da-ba-da-doot-doot-da.
Wow, that was really amazing. Did you see everybody clapping?
Pretty cool, huh?
I've never seen anything so incredible. I can feel all of the power rushing to my big elephantine head.
You know what, Gerald? I bet we can make them say a word.
No.
Yes!
No!
Yes!
We're in a play, we're on a stage.
Boy, this is great.
Check out the people.
Let's use our power
Come on now, concentrate.
for this audience-orama. Let's make them say...
Banana.
Good one. A 1, 2, 3.
Banana after me. Banana.
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 Good job!
That was so funny. Everybody out there said banana. Man, I just love tropical humor.
We're in a play, we like this part. Everyone's doing great. Let's make a sound and move around. Dance to celebrate.
Dance? What should we make them do?
We got it. Wave your arms all flippy floppy flory.
Grown-ups too. It's obligatory.
A 1, 2, 3. Flippy floppy flories, please. Flippy floppy flory. Flippy floppy flory. Flippy floppy flory.
Wow! Nice!
I cannot believe it. Grown-ups kind of doing the flippy floppy flory. I never thought I'd see the day.
You know how we could make this even better?
Better? That's impossible.
We could try to smoosh this all together.
But that's nuts!
I know!
What do you say, guys? Are you up for it?
Let's do it!
Okay, boys. All and any boys out there, you're with me. We're gonna clap our hands on this next round, okay?
All right, girls. We'll show them how it's done. You banana with me.
Oh, grown-ups!
You didn't think you could get away without doing more, did you?
I don't care if you're a mother or a father. Or a grandparent or a teacher.
Or even the principal?
The principal?
That's how we roll.
You have to do the flippy floppy flory arm thingy part.
Okay, let's all do this thing.
A 1, 2, 3.
Boys, clap with me.
Girls, banana. 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 Banana.
Hey, old people.
Banana.
Flippy floppy flory. 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 We're in a play and sing with you. Oh, just because, but you were great. So give yourself a big round of applause.
Introducing Gerald and Piggie. It's an Elephant and Piggie book. There is a bird on your head, written and illustrated by Willems. It's presented with permission by Hyperion Books for Children. Oh. Piggie! Is something on my head? Yes. There's a bird on your head. There is a bird on my head? Ah! Is there a bird on my head now? No. Now there are two birds on your head. What are two birds doing on my head? They are in love. The birds on my head are in love. They are lovebirds. Lovebirds? How do you know they are lovebirds? They are making a nest. Two birds are making a nest on my head. Why would two birds make a nest on my head? I'm afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head? One, two. Three. You have 3 eggs on your head. I do not want 3 eggs on my head. Then I have good news. The eggs are gone. The eggs are hatching. Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching. Cheep, cheep, cheep. They have hatched. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head, and 2 birds and a nest. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Where do you want them? Somewhere else! Why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them? Ask them. Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds. Will you please go somewhere else? No problem. It worked. Bye. Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggie. Thank you very much. You are welcome. In the story of Elephant and Piggie and there is a bird on your head.
Head over to the Bowman Library before February 27th and pick up 2 craft kits. Make a set of Elephant and Piggie puppets and a bird to put on your head. You can also sing a song to go with Piggie and Gerald puppets. In fact, Gerald and Piggie are going to help show me. We have a song to help us be elephants just like this. If you're an elephant and you know it, shake your ears. If you're an elephant and you know it, shake your ears. If you're an elephant and you know it, and you really want to show it, if you're an elephant and you know it, shake your ears. What else can an elephant do? Maybe sway his trunk like this, or stomp around. But what about Piggie? What does a pig do? If you're a pig and you know it, say oink, 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 oink. If you're a pig and you know it, say oink, 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 oink. If you're a pig and you know it, and you really want to show it, if you're a pig and you know it, say oink, 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 oink. What else can a pig do? Maybe root around in the mud or make a mess. And you can use the same tune with the bird hat that you make in honor of our favorite book. There's a bird on your head. So what we need to do is we need to put that bird on our head. There's a bird on my head, on my head. There's a bird on my head, on my head. There's a bird on my head making a nest and a bed. There's a bird in my head, on my head. But what happens when that bird brings a friend? This song has echoes. I hope you're ready to help me sing it. Upon my head, upon my head. That was your turn. There was a bird, there was a bird, the prettiest bird, the prettiest bird that you ever did see, that you ever did see. Oh, the bird on my head, she made a bed, she made a nest on my head, she made a nest on my head. And then that bird, she brought a friend, she brought a friend, the prettiest friend that you ever did see, that you ever did see. Oh, the bird on my head, she brought a friend, and they made their nest on my head, and they made their nest on my head. And then that bird, she laid 3 eggs, she laid 3 eggs, the prettiest eggs that you ever did see, that you ever did see. Oh, the bird on my head, she made a bed, she brought a friend, that she laid 3 eggs because they made their nest on my head, they made their nest on my head. And from those eggs, there hatched 3 chicks, there hatched 3 chicks, the prettiest chicks that you ever did see, that you ever did see. Oh, the bird on my head, she made a bed, she brought a friend and laid 3 eggs and hatched 3 chicks because they made their nest on my head, and then they made their nest on my head.